Tempus AI is expanding its partnership with Veristem Oncology to develop a companion diagnostic for Veristem's KRAS mutant recurrent low-grade serous ovarian cancer combination treatment. The partnership follows Tempus's completion of confirmatory testing of Veristem's avatometinib and defactinib combo treatment in a phase 2 clinical trial. The trial results demonstrated a significant overall response rate to the combination treatment, particularly among patients with KRAS mutant low-grade serous ovarian cancer. Tempus's FDA-approved XT-CDX assay will be used as an investigational assay in Veristem's global phase 3 RAMP 301 clinical trial. The assay will prospectively assess KRAS status in patients with recurrent LGSOC to group them into KRAS mutation or KRAS wild-type cohorts. As part of the U.S. Food and Drug Administration accelerated approval, Tempus XT-CDX assay will be used to prospectively assess KRAS status in patients with recurrent low-grade serous ovarian cancer. Verastem's Chief Medical Officer Dr. John Hayslip highlighted the importance of collaborating with Tempus to evaluate KRAS mutation status and develop a companion diagnostic assay. LGSOC is a rare and aggressive form of ovarian cancer that disproportionately affects younger women and has limited treatment options. The collaboration aims to bring targeted therapies to patients with recurrent KRAS mutant LGSOC. Tempus's XT-CDX assay is a qualitative next-generation sequencing, NGS-based in vitro diagnostic device that detects substitutions, insertion and deletion alterations, and microsatellite instability status in 648 genes. The assay is intended to identify patients who may benefit from treatment with targeted therapies and provide tumor mutation profiling for patients with previously diagnosed solid malignant neoplasms. Other progress comes from Boehringer Ingelheim entering into a multi-year partnership with Tempus AI to advance its cancer therapy pipeline. The collaboration aims to utilize AI and data to drive research and development of therapeutics. Despite progress in understanding and treating cancer, the disease remains a significant challenge, and Boehringer is committed to developing treatments for difficult-to-treat cancers. As part of the partnership, Boehringer will gain access to Tempus's de-identified database, which includes clinical, imaging, and molecular data, as well as its analytical platform, Lens. The collaboration will focus on analyzing data from patient cohorts to develop biomarkers and patient stratification, formulate hypotheses for drug combinations, and discover new targets. The partnership aims to accelerate drug development and improve precision medicine. Jan Nygaard Jensen, head of computational innovation at Boehringer Ingelheim, emphasized the importance of leveraging real-world patient data to strengthen the company's data foundation and harness advanced AI methodologies. Tempus AI is focused on advancing precision medicine by applying AI in healthcare, and this partnership is expected to drive innovation and enhance the precision and efficiency of pharmaceutical research. The multi-year collaboration builds on previous work between the two companies, leveraging data and AI to advance therapeutic research and development. By combining internal data with real-world data from Tempus, Boehringer Ingelheim hopes to accelerate its drug discovery and development efforts. Mark-Paul Petronsky, head of oncology research at Boehringer Ingelheim, emphasized the importance of combining internal and real-world data to deepen the understanding of cancer biology. Jan Nygaard Jensen, head of computational innovation at Boehringer Ingelheim, noted that leveraging real-world patient data is crucial for strengthening the company's data foundation and harnessing advanced AI methodologies. Ryan Fukushima, chief operating officer at Tempus, expressed enthusiasm for expanding the company's work with Boehringer Ingelheim and deploying multiple solutions to advance the latter's oncology pipeline. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.